Let's learn real English. Naturally, confidently, together.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills naturally. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Now, let's get started. Hi, Dave. The World Cup final is almost here. I'm so excited. Everyone is asking the same question. Who will win the World Cup final?
I've been thinking about that all week. It isn't an easy question. Both teams are very strong. But I think Argentina will win.
Argentina? That's an interesting choice. Why do you believe they will win?
I like the way they play together. They never stop fighting. They stay confident, even when the match becomes difficult.
I understand. I think Spain will win. Their football is beautiful. They pass the ball so well.
That's true. Spain controls the game very well. They are patient. They don't rush.
Exactly. They wait for the right chance. Then they attack.
But I still trust Argentina more. I think they play with more passion.
Passion is important, but skill is important too.
I agree. Both teams have great players. That's why the final will be exciting.
Which team has the better attack?
I think Argentina does. They create dangerous chances. They finish those chances well.
That's a good point. But I think Spain has the better midfield. They keep the ball longer. They control the speed of the game.
Yes, their midfield is excellent. They don't lose the ball easily.
What about defense? Which team is stronger?
That's a difficult question. I think both teams defend very well. I don't see a big difference.
I feel the same way. One small mistake could decide the match.
Exactly. Finals are often decided by one moment.
Maybe one goal, maybe one save, maybe one mistake.
That's why every minute is important. No team can relax.
Do you think the players feel nervous?
Of course. It's the biggest match in football. Every player dreams about this game.
I agree. Winning the World Cup is very special. Which team do you think will score first? I think Spain will. They usually start matches well.
I think Argentina will score first. They always look dangerous.
If Spain scores first, can Argentina come back?
Yes, I believe they can. They never give up. They always keep believing.
That's one reason people love football. Anything can happen.
Exactly. What if Argentina scores first? Can Spain come back?
Yes, Spain stays calm. They don't panic. They keep playing their style.
That's true. So maybe this final will be very close.
I think it will. Maybe only one goal will decide everything.
I can't wait to watch it. I've already made my prediction.
Me too. But we're not finished yet. There's one more important question. Which team has the better chance of lifting the World Cup trophy after 90 minutes? Or will this final need extra time? That's a very interesting question. Will the match finish in 90 minutes? Or will it go to extra time? I've been thinking about that.
So have I. I don't think either team will give up easily. Both teams know how important this match is. Every minute will matter.
I agree. I think both teams will play carefully at the beginning. They won't want to make an early mistake.
Yes, the first 15 minutes could be very important. Both teams will probably study each other. They will look for small weaknesses.
That's what happens in many finals. The players are careful, the coaches are careful. Everyone wants the perfect start.
Exactly. If one team scores early, everything could change.
That's true. The other team would have to attack more. That could create more chances.
Which team do you think is better under pressure?
I think Spain is very calm. They don't panic. They keep playing their style. They trust each other.
I like that about Spain, but I still believe Argentina handles pressure better. They've played many big matches. They know how to stay strong.
Experience is very important, especially in a World Cup final.
I couldn't agree more. One experienced player can help the whole team stay calm.
Let's talk about possession. Which team do you think will have the ball more?
I think Spain will. Keeping the ball is one of their biggest strengths. They are very patient.
I agree. Spain enjoys controlling the game. They don't rush their attacks.
But Argentina doesn't need the ball all the time. Sometimes one quick attack is enough.
That's a good point. Fast counterattacks can be very dangerous.
Exactly. That's why this match is so difficult to predict.
What about the goalkeepers? Do you think they will play an important role?
Absolutely. A great save can change the whole match. One save can give a team new confidence.
I was thinking the same thing. Sometimes the goalkeeper becomes the hero of the final.
Yes, especially if the match is very close.
Do you think we'll see many goals?
I don't think so. I expect a close match. Maybe 2 or 3 goals.
My prediction is the same. I don't expect a high-scoring game. I think both defenses will be very strong.
If the match stays level, would you like to see extra time?
Yes, I wouldn't mind. It would make the final even more exciting.
And what if it's still a draw after extra time?
Then we'll have a penalty shootout.
Wow, that would be very exciting, but also very stressful.
I agree. Penalty shootouts are unforgettable. Every kick feels important. Every save feels huge.
I don't know if I could stay calm. I'd be nervous until the final kick.
Me too. And that leads to another big question. If the World Cup final goes to penalties, which team has the better chance of winning? That's a difficult question. If the final goes to penalties, I think Spain has a very good chance. They have confident players, they stay calm under pressure.
That's true, but I still believe Argentina would win. They have strong character. They never lose hope, even in the hardest moments.
Penalty shootouts are very special. Everything can change with one kick.
Exactly. One great save or one missed penalty can decide the World Cup.
That's why players feel so much pressure. Millions of people are watching. The whole world is waiting.
I can't imagine that feeling. Standing at the penalty spot, knowing everyone is watching you.
It must be one of the biggest moments in football.
I agree. Only very confident players enjoy that moment.
Besides confidence, what else is important in a World Cup final?
Teamwork. No team wins the World Cup alone. Every player has a job. Every player helps the team.
That's a great answer. A champion is built by the whole team, not just one star player.
Exactly. Football is always a team game.
Let's talk about the fans. Do you think the fans can help their team?
Absolutely. The fans create an amazing atmosphere. Their support gives players more energy.
I love hearing the fans sing. The stadium feels alive.
Me too. It makes the World Cup final even more special.
Which fans do you think will be louder?
That's hard to say. Both countries have passionate supporters. I think both sides will make a lot of noise.
I agree. The atmosphere will be incredible.
Another important question, which team do you think will have more possession?
Spain. They usually enjoy keeping the ball. They like to control the game.
I agree. But possession doesn't always mean victory.
That's true. Sometimes the team with fewer chances wins.
Exactly. Football can be surprising.
Which team do you think will create more chances?
Argentina. I think they will attack more directly. They don't need many chances to score.
That's one of their biggest strengths. They can be very dangerous.
Which team do you think will score the first goal?
I still believe Spain will.
And I still believe Argentina will. Looks like neither of us wants to change our prediction.
I don't think I will. I've trusted Spain from the beginning.
And I'll keep supporting Argentina.
So, we've talked about teamwork, we've talked about attack, we've talked about defense, we've talked about possession.
But there's still one prediction we haven't made.
That's right. Only one question is left. What will the final score be? That's the biggest question of all. What will the final score be? I've been thinking about it for days.
Me too. Every time I think about the match, I change my mind. But today, I'm ready to make my final prediction.
Great. Let's hear it.
I think Argentina will win 2-1. I believe it will be a very close match. Both teams will score, but Argentina will score the winning goal.
That's a good prediction. Mine is different. I think Spain will win 1-0. I believe one goal will be enough.
So, we completely disagree.
We do, but that's what makes football so much fun. Nobody knows the answer before the match.
Exactly. Every fan has a different opinion. Every fan has a different prediction.
That's one of the best things about the World Cup. People from all over the world come together. They support their favorite team. They share the same excitement.
I love that. No matter which country you support, everyone is waiting for the same moment.
The moment when one team lifts the World Cup trophy.
It's every football player's biggest dream.
And every fan hopes that dream belongs to their team.
Let's think about one more question. What do you think will decide the match?
I think teamwork will decide it. The team that works together better will win.
That's a great answer. I think confidence will decide the match. The team that believes until the final whistle will become the champion.
Teamwork and confidence. Both are very important.
Absolutely. Talent is important too, but in a World Cup final, every small detail matters.
I couldn't agree more. One pass, one tackle, one save, one goal. Any of those moments could change history.
That's why millions of people love football. Every match tells a different story. Every final creates new memories.
Well, we've shared our predictions. Now it's your turn.
Who do you think will win the World Cup final?
Will Argentina become the champion, or will Spain lift the trophy?
We'd love to hear your prediction. Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to tell us your predicted score.
Do you think the match will finish in 90 minutes, or will it go to extra time?
Or maybe will the champion be decided by penalties?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
We also hope today's episode helped you improve your English listening skills. Keep listening every day. Little by little, your English will become more natural.
Thank you for spending your time with us. We'll see you again in our next conversation. Take care, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.